The sun rises over Heartland, casting golden light across rolling fields and grazing horses. You can feel the calm, and yet something is stirring. The ranch is alive with secrets, challenges, and heart, because Heartland Season 20 is coming. And it's unlike anything you've seen before. Script. Section 1. Opening 0 o'clock to 0:20. Heartland has always been a place where family, love, and courage meet the wild beauty of the ranch. This season, those values shine brighter than ever. Amy and Lou continue their journey, raising their family while facing challenges that will test their hearts and minds. Ty is back, stronger and braver, tackling new adventures with the horses he loves. Each corner of Heartland is filled with memories, but also with fresh surprises waiting to unfold. From the quiet barns to the wide-open pastures, every scene reminds us why we fell in love with Heartland in the first place. The ranch isn't just land, it's a living story of hope, laughter, and sometimes heartbreak. And as the wind whispers through the trees, we feel that Heartland, Season 20, promises emotion, drama, and moments that will make fans cheer, cry, and celebrate everything they hold dear about this beloved series. Visual cues. Sweeping drone shots of Heartland Ranch at sunrise. Horses running across open fields. Close-ups of Amy and Lou from past seasons. Soft focus. Emotional expressions. Fade-in of Heartland logo with gentle glow. Text overlay. Heartland is back. Bigger, braver, more emotional than ever. Voiceover tone. Warm, inviting. Slightly dramatically telling a story that draws viewers in immediately. The wait is almost over. The ranch is waking. Heartland Season 20 is ready to sweep you off your feet. Script Section 2. This season. Every moment counts, and fans won't want to miss a single second. Mark your calendars, because Heartland is returning with all the love, drama, and heart you've been craving. From the first glimpse of Amy's determination to Lou's unwavering support, and Ty's daring adventures with the horses, the new season is packed with surprises that will keep you on the edge of your seat.
Season
20 isn't just a new chapter. It's a celebration of everything that has made this series a fan favorite for 2 decades. As the golden fields stretch under the morning sun, we can feel the excitement building. Families will laugh, hearts will ache, and stories will unfold that remind us why Heartland isn't just a show, it's home. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The premiere is coming very soon, and it promises moments that will stay with you long after the screen goes dark. Visual cues. Close-up of calendar pages flipping to the premiere date. Scenic shots of the ranch at sunrise and sunset highlighting the beauty of Heartland. Quick flashes of dramatic past scenes. Amy helping a horse, Lou in an emotional moment, Ty riding through the fields. Slow-motion reveal of the premiere. Date with glowing text animation. Text overlay, the wait is almost over. Heartland Season 20 premieres, insert date. Get ready for the drama, the love, the adventure. Voiceover tone, excited and suspenseful, building anticipation while keeping a warm, storytelling vibe. If you want, I can move on to Section 3. Returning cast highlights next and make it just as unique. The heart of Heartland isn't the ranch. It's the people who make it home. In this season, your favorites are back, stronger, wiser, and ready to face what's ahead. Script Section 3. Amy's courage shines brighter than ever as she balances family, love, and the challenges that come with running Heartland. Lou's unwavering strength and quiet wisdom continue to anchor the ranch, guiding everyone through tough times with love and determination. Ty returns with new adventures, proving that no challenge is too big when passion and skill lead the way. But Heartland, Season 20, it's just about the familiar. It's about seeing these beloved characters in moments you haven't witnessed before. Secrets, heartfelt reunions, and unexpected twists await. Every glance, every choice, every heartfelt word reminds fans why these characters aren't just part of a show, they're family. As the sun sets over the ranch, each character's story lights up the screen, promising laughter, tears, and unforgettable moments that only Heartland can deliver. And just when you think you know them, this season will challenge everything you thought you knew about love, family, and loyalty. Visual cues. montage of returning characters. Amy with her family, Lou in thoughtful moments, Ty riding through fields or working with horses. Slow zoom-ins on emotional expressions for maximum impact. Flashbacks of past iconic scenes blended with new season sneak peeks. Soft glow on characters with golden hour lighting to evoke nostalgia and warmth. Text overlay Amy Lou Ty and the heart of Heartland, returning stronger than ever. Stories that will make you laugh, cry, and cheer. Voiceover tone, warm, heartfelt, and slightly dramatic like a storyteller inviting viewers to step back into a world they love while teasing new surprises. This season, Heartland isn't just returning, it's transforming. New challenges, hidden secrets, and twists you never saw coming await. Script Section 4. Season 20 brings stories that will tug at your heart, test loyalties, and leave fans guessing at every turn. Amy faces challenges that will push her limits, balancing family life, ranch responsibilities, and unexpected surprises that threaten to shake her world. Lou must navigate his own journey of growth and resilience, facing dilemmas that force him to confront the past while protecting the future of Heartland. Ty's adventures go beyond the ranch, introducing new challenges with horses and the community that will push him to his breaking point and reveal new strengths he never knew he had. And Heartland isn't done surprising us. New characters arrive, stirring up drama, sparking romance, and creating tension in ways that will leave fans on edge. Secrets from the past resurfaced, friendships are tested. The bonds of family are stronger than ever, but never without obstacles. Every episode promises a balance of heartwarming moments, nail-biting suspense, and stories that will keep viewers glued to the screen. In Season 20, Heartland proves that life on the ranch is never simple, but it is always full of heart, hope, and the courage to face the unknown. Visual cues, dramatic slow-motion shots of Amy facing tense moments on the ranch, Lou looking thoughtful, conflicted, or comforting family members. Ty riding through stormy skies or racing a challenge with a horse. Quick flashes of new characters entering the ranch, hinting at tension or romance. Darker, moody lighting, with sunrises or sunsets to evoke suspense and emotion. Text overlay. New stories. New challenges. Unexpected twists. Secrets return. Friendships are tested. Hearts are on the line. Season 20, where every moment counts. Voiceover tone. Suspenseful, engaging, and emotional, like whispering secrets that viewers can't wait to uncover. Heartland has always been a place of quiet beauty, but this season, the calm hides storms of emotion, thrilling challenges, moments that will take your breath away. Script Section 5. Season 20 is a roller coaster of feelings, where every scene carries weight and every choice has consequences. Amy faces heart-stopping moments that test her resilience and remind us why she's the heart of the ranch. Lou confronts obstacles that push him to the edge, forcing him to dig deep into his strength and courage to protect what matters most. Ty races against time, riding through challenges with his horses, showcasing bravery, skill, and determination in ways fans haven't seen before. And it's not just about the action. Heartland's emotional depth remains unmatched. Families are torn between loyalty and desire. Friendships are tested, and love is challenged by unexpected trials. Every tear, every smile, every daring moment is a reminder of the bonds that make Heartland more than a ranch. It's a family, home, and a story of life at its most raw and beautiful. From dramatic sunsets over the pastures to the intensity of a galloping horse in motion, Season 20 promises moments that will make fans laugh, cry, and hold their breath in anticipation. Visual cues, slow-motion shots of Amy running to help a horse or protect her family, Lou intense, emotional confrontations with other characters, Ty racing across open fields on horseback, with wind and dust adding drama, quick flashes of storms, barn doors slamming, and tense family moments, emotional close-ups, tears, hugs, and looks of determination. Text overlay. Heart-stopping moments you won't forget. Love, family, courage. Tested like never before. Season 20. The stakes are higher, the emotions deeper. Voiceover. Tone, dramatic, gripping, and cinematic balancing, tension, and warmth. Making viewers feel like they're on the ranch with the characters. Some stories never fade, they live in our hearts. And Heartland Season 20 brings those memories rushing back, but with twists you've never seen before. Script Section 6. For 20 seasons. Heartland has been more than a ranch, it's been a home, a refuge, and a story of love, family, and courage. This season, fans will be reminded of the moments that made them fall in love with Heartland in the first place. Amy's first triumphs and heartbreaks, Lou's quiet wisdom. Ty's early adventures on horseback are not just memories, they're the foundation of everything that is coming next. But nostalgia isn't just about looking back, it's about seeing how far the characters have come. Past struggles, old friendships, and cherished family moments now inform the challenges and triumphs of Season 20. Flashbacks of iconic scenes, Amy with a horse she once saved, Lou comforting a loved one, Ty's first daring ride into Weave, with sneak peeks of the new season showing fans that every laugh, every tear, every heart-stopping moment continues to matter. This is Heartland as fans have always known it, emotional, real, and unforgettable. And now, these beloved memories pave the way for stories that promise to pull at your heartstrings even harder than before. Visual cues. Quick montage of iconic past scenes, Amy in the barn, Lou comforting a family member, Ty riding his first horse. Soft transition to new Season 20 scenes, blending nostalgia with fresh drama. Warm golden lighting to evoke memory and sentiment. Textured fadines of past quotes or dialogue snippets appearing subtly on screen. Text overlay 20. Seasons of Heartland magic. The memories you love, the stories you've waited for. Past and present collide in Season 20. Voiceover tone. Warm, reflective, and slightly emotional-like, telling a story to someone who's been with you all along. It's about connection, history, and anticipation for what's next. The ranch is ready, the stories are ready, and now, it's your turn to step back into Heartland. Script Section 7, Season 20 is almost here, bringing everything fans have loved for 2 decades: family, love, courage, and so much more. From heart-stopping moments to unforgettable reunions, from new surprises to cherished memories, this is a season you don't want to miss. So mark your calendars, gather your loved ones, and prepare to return to the ranch that has captured hearts around the world. Every sunrise, every ride, every laugh, and every tear is waiting for you. Heartland Season 20 is ready to sweep you off your feet, and the only thing missing is you. Subscribe, hit the bell, and get ready to be part of the magic from the very first episode. This isn't just a show, it's Heartland, and it's finally back. Visual cues. Heartland logo slowly glowing and fading in center screen. Premiere date highlighted with animation. Quick flashes of emotional and dramatic moments from the new season. Subtle animation encouraging viewers to subscribe or set reminders. Text overlay. Heartland Season 20 coming soon. Subscribe. And hit the bell to catch every moment. The ranch is waiting. Are you ready? Voiceover tone, energetic, warm, and inviting like a friend personally calling you back to a place you love. Full of excitement, anticipation, and emotional pull. Now your Heartland Season 20 faceless trailer script is complete, with all 7 sections fully outlined and scripted. Hook opening, premiere date reveal, returning cast highlights exciting. New storylines, emotional and action-packed moments, fan favorite throwbacks, nostalgia, call to action, closing if you want. I can also turn this into a ready-to-record voiceover script with precise visual and text overlay cues for every scene. Optimized for faceless YouTube videos,